Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I wash my daughter's hair, and the reason I'm making this video is because some of you have asked me what do I use on my daughter's hair, how do I take care of her hair to make it more manageable. I know there are lots of videos here on YouTube teaching you how to wash kids' hair, but this is just the way I do it, so I hope you enjoy the video. So the first thing I always like to do during her wash day is I like to run some warm water all over her hair to get it soaking wet before I go ahead and shampoo her hair. Now to shampoo her hair, I'm going to be using my DIY African black soap shampoo. I made it myself, and in case if you've not seen the video, please kindly check the description box below because I'm going to be leaving the link to the video at the description box so you can go and check it out. Now once I apply the black shampoo on her hair, I will use the tip of my fingers to massage her scalp thoroughly, and then I will further massage her scalp with this massaging hair brush. It helps to get rid of all the build-ups, all the dirt on her scalp. So as you saw earlier in this video, her hair was very dirty, and that is because she has been carrying that hair for 3 weeks plus now. I just twisted her hair and she has carried it for 3 weeks, and in that 3 weeks I do wash and moisturize her hair, so it's not like I left her hair just like that all throughout the 3 weeks. Now after I rinse out the shampoo, the next step is to deep condition her hair, and to deep condition her hair I will be using also my DIY deep conditioner, and what I have in that bottle is just some olive oil, honey, and my leave-in conditioner, which I mix together. That's basically what I use. Like anything I use on my daughter's hair is what I use on my hair as well. We don't have different products, and yeah, we use all the simple products we can lay our hands on, and to be honest with you, it has been working for us, like seriously. So why I'm deep conditioning her hair, and I don't deep condition her hair every time I'm washing her hair, but because she has carried that hairstyle for 3 weeks, I need to deep condition her hair to make her hair very soft and extremely moisturized. So that's why I'm deep conditioning her hair. So once I'm sure that the deep conditioner is well coated all through her hair, I'll use a shower cap to cover it and leave it for some minutes, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it off. And I'm using warm water all throughout. Whenever I'm washing her hair or my hair, I always like to use warm water because that's what works for us. We don't use cold water to wash our hair. Now after I rinse out the deep conditioner, I will go ahead and further cleanse her hair with this Hair One cleansing conditioner. It helps to cleanse the scalp, the hair, and also helps with detangling. So that's why I always like to use it, and it has this minty feeling. Like when you apply it to your hair, it feels like mint. Yeah, and the product smells so good. It works amazingly. I also use it on my hair as well. So again, I repeat, the name of the product is Hair One. It's amazing. I would recommend it if you want to get it. It's so good. So now I am detangling her hair, and when I'm washing her hair, I am not like trying to detangle all her hair, because I know that will take lots of time. So what I do is I detangle as much as I can, then during her styling I can further detangle her hair before I put it in any kind of protective style. Now it's time to rinse out the conditioner. I don't leave it for any amount of time. Once I'm done detangling her hair, I just rinse it out. That's it. So when I'm done rinsing out the cleansing conditioner, I will now move over to moisturizing her hair, and after that I will also put her hair in a protective style that can last her for about a week, 2 weeks or thereabout. So now it's time to moisturize her hair, and to moisturize her hair I will be using the Blue Magic Carrot Oil leave-in conditioner, and as you can see, her hair feels very soft, very clean and very shiny. So after I moisturize the hair with the leave-in conditioner, I will apply some oil, and I will be using my carrot oil. And that's pretty much for this video. And then I will style her hair, which I'm going to insert a clip in this video so you can see. If you want to see how I made the whole hair, then check the description box as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you now know how I take care of my daughter's hair. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.